Hey there, little explorers! Today, we're going to discover the amazing world of dugongs. Dugongs are like big underwater friends that live in the ocean. Are you ready to learn some fun facts about these gentle creatures? Dugongs are big animals that live in the ocean. They look like big, friendly cows of the sea. They're not cows, though, they're called dugongs. They like to eat yummy sea grass and seaweed. It's like having a tasty salad for lunch. They munch and crunch on these green plants all day long. Dugongs have flippers that help them swim gracefully through the water. They're like super swimmers. Their flippers are like big paddles that help them glide smoothly. Did you know that dugongs are related to manatees? They're like cousins from the ocean. They both have similar round bodies and gentle personalities. Sometimes, dugongs like to take naps on the ocean floor. They snuggle up and have cozy underwater dreams. They close their eyes and float gently in the water, like sleepy sea babies. Dugongs make soft, gentle sounds to communicate with each other. It's like they're whispering secrets in the sea. They use these sweet sounds to talk to their dugong friends and family. They have big, round bodies with smooth skin that helps them glide through the water easily. Their skin is so smooth and shiny, like a big rubber ducky. Dugongs are very shy animals. They like to hide and stay safe in quiet places. They peek out from behind rocks and coral reefs, watching the world go by. Dugongs are super important for the ocean because they help keep the sea grass healthy. They're like gardeners of the ocean. They munch on sea grass, which helps keep it short and healthy for other sea creatures. We need to protect dugongs and their ocean home. We can do this by keeping the ocean clean and not disturbing their peaceful habitat. Let's all work together to keep the ocean safe for our dugong friends. That was wonderful. Wow, weren't dugongs just fascinating? They're like gentle giants of the sea, aren't they? Remember to be kind to our dugong friends and help keep their ocean home clean and safe. Keep exploring and learning about the wonders of the underwater world, little ones. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.